Hello guys, Steve here, BS Slot Cars. I got some packages in. Let's open them up, see what's inside. Boom. Paper. I don't see anything in here. What the heck? Oh. I swear I don't feel nothing in here. Oh, there it is. Alright, these are AFX G+. These are low profile front tires. They're silicone. Let's take a look at them. I got these because a lot of the tires on the vintage cars that I've been doing and working on, they're all dry rotted. Oh yeah, these are nice. They even got the rib inside. They're like copies of the original, but in silicone. Right there. So they're nice. I got these off eBay. Let me put them over here. Move this aside. Please do not bend. Let's see what's in this. Alright. I got more of these gel claw tires. These are for the Johnny Lightning Magna Traction, the rear. And these are for the G+ original Aurora rear tires. I got these because they're not silicone and they're not rubber, and no one really sells rubber tires, and silicone don't work really good on the polycar track because it's usually so hard that the pointy surface, like it's like points like this. What happens is with the silicone, it barely puts any pressure on and the points barely go on into it because they're not soft enough. If they were really soft, it would go in further and grip better, but it don't on the silicone. They're usually hard, the tires. So these ones here, the gel claws, on the polycar track, I'm telling you, they grip like glue. These work awesome on the polycar track. They're literally grip so good, that's why I had to get more of them. So that's those. Let me put these over here with the G+ tires. Now we got this box here. Let's see what's inside this. But those gel claw tires, whoo, they grip good. Because the polycar track really likes the rubber tires, and those gel claws are like really sticky. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, check that out, guys. That is nice. Nice. This is another Aurora AFX original G+. This one feels good. Car looks sweet. That is nice. It's a shadow. Pretty nice. Let's open her up. Oh yeah, really nice. Take a look at that beauty. What I'm going to do with this one, like I do to the other ones, I'm going to clean it up, flip the magnets around so it goes the correct direction on my track. Clean the comm, oil her up. Then we're going to try her on the test track here. Then later on we'll have another video on the polycar track after I got everything tuned up. And we'll do the track test, the 25 laps, and see the fastest times we get with this beauty. So I got to do the guide and the braid. The shoes look pretty clean here. Let me give them a little whirl. I think they'll do. I don't think we have to clean them. And I'll just do it with the eraser really quick. That way we could just test it on the track really quick to see if it's even working. Let me oil her up. And then I'll do the comm. Put a little dab in there. A little dab in there. A little on the pinion, on the crown gear. I don't want to go crazy because I'm going to have to work on this much more. That should be good enough. Now, I'm going to use this little comm brush thing and I'm going to clean the comm. All you do is put it on there. It's hard to do like this. I usually lay the car down and you spin it like this and you clean it. So let me finish cleaning it and then we'll take it out and test it, see if it's working on the track. And then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I got this cleaned up. So let's see if she works. The shadow. Pray to the slot car gods if it's working. Oh yeah. She's working. Nice. I'll have to break it in on low for like probably 10-15 minutes. But it's working. Let's rev her up. Nice. Actually guys, this one's pretty clean. I don't even think it was that much used at all. It looks brand new. Just a little bit of wear on the shoes. Doesn't have high mileage on it, that's for sure. So, like I said, stay tuned for the next videos. This one will be tested on the polycar track. I'll put the braid and the special guide pin in there, the flag guide. I'll put new probably gel claw tires on the back. These beauties here. And she'll be ready to rip up the track. And we'll see how fast this sucker goes. We'll do 25 laps. So if you're new watching, subscribe if you want to see this beauty in action. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And here she is once more. I gotta clean up the body a little bit, but she looks great. Let me know what you guys think of it. And stay tuned for that track test. I appreciate you all watching. See you next time on the racetrack. BS Slot Cars out.